Welcome to Lady O's kitchen once again. Today we are making scrambled eggs. To those of us that really love scrambled eggs, we are going to make it from the scratch. And this scrambled egg is going to be floppy, delicious, juicy, appetizing. That is why I have all these colorful ingredients right here. Here we have the yellow bell pepper, the orange color bell pepper, the red bell pepper, we have the green bell pepper, we have onions, and we have fresh tomato. We also have the key ingredient, which is the eggs. We have some eggs here. You can use as many eggs as desired. We have milk, we have butter, we have black pepper, we have salt. And of course, we have our kitchen knife, which we are using to do the slicing of all these the peppers and the onions and the tomato. But before then, let us start by washing of hands, which is very important in this kitchen. All right, we will proceed by also washing all the peppers, the onions, and the tomato. We are cooking from the scratch, so I will start by peeling my onion. You can use as many onions as desired. You all know that in this kitchen I love lots of onions. So in this case I'm using 2. Okay. In preparing the bell pepper, you have to open it up and then bring out the seeds, because the seeds are bitter, so we are not using the seeds. You have to open them up, bring out the seeds. I decided to use different colors of peppers because it will make it so colorful. It will make it appetizing and attractive, so that even if you don't feel like eating, the color will attract you. Alright, done with it. So after removing all the seeds from the bell peppers, you have to wash the pepper, because washing of ingredients is one of the important things in this kitchen. So you have to wash it and remove the label from the pepper, just as I'm doing right now. Okay. Also wash the onions, the fresh tomato. All right, and then slicing begins. I have to wipe my hands with the water. Okay, now slicing begins. You can slice your bell pepper however you like it. And also be very careful with your fingers. see how colorful they are? Very, very colorful. The red, the orange color, the green, the yellow color. It's colorful. It's pretty. And it's attractive. It is appetizing. Okay. Go in right here. The onions. Right. I decided to use fresh tomato because the juice from the fresh tomato is what will make the scrambled egg to be juicy, you know, to be juicy and taste really good. Okay, but I'm not using a whole lot of tomato because the juice will be too much. I already have my milk, so I don't need too much juice in it. Now I'm going to crack up my eggs. This is what I do. You can use as many eggs as desired. Just do your thing, add your own twist to your cooking. Just be yourself when you are cooking. Cook according to your taste. Cook as you like it. As you enjoy eating your food, that's how you cook your food. Add your own twist. That's good, looking good already. Then I'll pour in my milk. As desired, because in this kitchen we do not measure, we do not read from the book, we just cook from our own intuition. Yes, that is the logo in this kitchen. We don't measure, you just cook from your own intuition. So from there I will add my salt and pepper as desired. It depends on how you like your salt and your pepper. So this is my black pepper. I love my eggs and my food spicy. This is my salt. I don't like a whole lot of salt when I'm cooking. So to me that is enough. It's looking good already. Yes. You will know how your food will taste from the preparation. So from the look of things right now, this scrambled egg is going to be fluffy, tasty, delicious, appetizing, and yummy. All right, that is it. Then we'll move to the stove. My pan is already on the stove. Now I'm turning on my heat. My heat is on. Since the pan is already dry, so I don't have to leave it for so long. So I'm adding up my butter right now. And I will allow the butter to heat up. Just add the butter as desired. Everything is as desired. There is no measurement here. Once the butter is heated up, I will add my egg. Okay, my egg. I'll pour in my egg right now. And leave it for a little while to heat up. Now the egg is heated up and the scrambling begins. So this is the scrambled egg. You have to stir it so that it will not get burned. It's a process of stirring it. You can lower your heat, or if you can keep up with your heat, you can leave your heat right there and then continue stirring it, stirring it. The stirring process continues. You notice that I'm not adding my bell pepper and all the onions, the tomato right now, because I don't want them to overcook. Don't overcook your vegetables. It's looking good. All right, it's time for me to add the bell pepper, the fresh tomato, the onions, but I'm not going to add all of it. I think I don't need all of this. It's coming out too much. Yeah. But I may add some more as I continue stirring. If I feel like I need some more, there's nothing wrong in adding more. The essence of this scrambled egg is just to make it a little bit healthy and appetizing. Look at the combination of all those ingredients. Even if you don't like eating scrambled egg, there is no how you will not eat Lady O scrambled egg. Because the color alone, the combination is inviting. it is inviting. Okay, let me throw in some greens. The green bell pepper for color, because we want to make it attractive and inviting. Green and the red colors is going to be attractive and inviting. Don't forget to taste for salt. I'm going to taste for salt right now with my palm. Oh my God, it's tasting so good. I don't need any more salt. No more salt. So what I will do now is to just cover it and allow it to steam, so that the vegetables or the bell pepper, they are vegetables anyway, can be steamed up, and the scrambled egg is ready. So I will use something. I will use this cover and then allow it to steam. The reason why I use this, container or cover with the holes is so that the vegetable will steam and not overcook but remain crunchy, because I want it to be crunchy, not overcooked. Look at this, is so inviting. The scrambled egg is inviting. Who would not love to eat this? See, the vegetables are still crunchy and not overcooked. So guys, this is how Lady O prepares her own scrambled egg. So as usual, at the end of a very good cooking like this, you turn off your heat, you remove it from the cooking point, you put it aside so that it will not continue cooking, and then allow it to cool down. If you have a splatter screen, you can use it to cover it up so that bugs will not fly into it. But if you don't have it, maybe you just keep your eye on your cooking so that nothing bad will get into your cooking. Thank you guys for watching from Lady O's Kitchen. Once again, please remember to subscribe, to watch, to subscribe, to like, and to share.